When you're not in Asia, it can be a real struggle to find fresh Thai ingredients. I'm now in Sweden. Over the next few episodes, I'll show you that it's possible to cook amazing Thai food by using local ingredients, a pinch of creativity, and what you can find in Asian supermarket. My videos give you the baseline you need to experiment on your own. Don't be afraid to try new things.
สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy and I'm still here in Sweden. And this afternoon I've been trekking and then I found this very beautiful chanterelle mushroom. So I got inspiration to make it as a tom Kha Goong with chanterelle or coconut soup with Galangal and this chanterelle. Here's the ingredients. Come and take a look. 350 grams of tiger prawns, 200 grams of chanterelle mushroom, Kaffir lime leaf, chili, lemongrass, Galangal, Swedish tomato, kind of like lime and lemon mix, brown sugar, coconut milk, fish sauce, and chili paste. And if you like to look at the authentic way to do this tom kha or coconut soup with Galangal, you can also click the link up there. The ingredients are ready, so let's get started. So we are going to start with boiling the herbs ingredients with the coconut milk. Here I use something like 1 liter. Of course, it's not fresh coconut milk, but I think this is a good brand that you can find in Asian grocery store. So I start with boiling the herbs ingredients with the coconut milk. And galangal. Okay. Maybe just 1 or 2 leaves of Kaffir lime leaf. And when the soup is boiling, we can just add the shrimp into the soup. Then go in the tomato. At this stage, I can start to season it with fish sauce and sugar. I use 2 tablespoons. And at this stage, you don't season it with lime yet because the taste of lime gonna just go away with the cooking process. So we're gonna wait a little bit, and almost at the end of the process of cooking, we can add the lime. I think we can put the mushroom in there. Let's add some chili. Let it boil a little bit. I think our soup is ready. So let me top it with the Kaffir lime leaf. Wanna come closer to see? And some lime. tastes nice and creamy. I think it's really good already. So now I have done with the Kha Goong with chanterelle mushroom. I don't think anyone has tried this before. Well, now you have seen my experiment with the chanterelle mushroom in Kha Goong or coconut soup with tiger prawn. I hope you try this at home because it came out really good. You can find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. I hope you share some comments after you try this, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For today, enjoy and have a spicy day. Bye bye!